Going to see about integration by substitution. So usually we know that integral x power n into dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. This is the usual formula. In case if we get ax plus b whole power n into dx. We know a very simple formula, integral x power n into dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. If we get integral ax plus b the whole power n into dx means, so what the formula we will be used? That is a very important. So here we don't know what is this, okay? So that you just to take it as t. You just consider ax plus b is equal to t. Ax plus b is equal to t. We know we have to find what is dx here. Okay, you just substitute instead of ax plus b is equal to t. We have to convert this formula, this given one, in terms of t only, right? So that we have to find what is dx in terms of t. That is very important. I hope you can understand. இங்க ax plus b whole power n into dx இருக்கு. இதை நான் tன்னு எடுத்துக்கிட்டேன்னா dxஐயும் tன்னு மாற்றணும். அப்போ dxஐயும் in terms of tல மாற்றதுக்கு நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும் அதுதான் பார்க்க போகிறோம். So ax plus b is equal to t. We can take. Now we're going to find what is dx. So for that differentiate this one with respect to t. So here you have a constant. Here we're going to differentiate x with respect to t means, what is that? That will be dx by dt. If it is same variable means you will get 1. If you are going to differentiate x with respect to x means that will be 1. But here I am going to differentiate x with respect to t. That will be dx by dt. Can you understand? And then b is a constant. B is a constant means you will get 0. If you differentiate constant, you will get 0. And then which is equal to, we're going to differentiate t with respect to t only. So that will be 1. So that finally we get a into dx by dt is equal to 1. A into dx is equal to dt. And then dx is equal to what? 1 by a into dt. Isn't it? Can you understand this? Dx is equal to 1 by a into dt. Now, you can just consider this one. What is that? Integral ax plus b whole power n into dx. Isn't it? Here, we taken this one is equal to t, right? So, integral t power n. What is dx? 1 by a into dt, right? 1 by a into dt. So that here you can write 1 by a into integral t power n into dt, right? 1 by a is a constant, t power n into dt. So this is the equation t power n into dt. So here we going to integrate t power n with respect to t only. So you can apply the formula x power n, isn't it? This is like that of x power n into dx, isn't it? So that will be x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So here it is also you can get integral t power n into dt. So here the same integration t with respect to t, x with respect to x. So you can apply the formula. So that will be 1 by a t power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. But t is equal to what? T is equal to, already we taken ax plus b is equal to t, right? So instead of t we can write again ax plus b whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Therefore, integral ax plus b whole power n into dx is equal to, we can write 1 by a into ax plus b whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So here it is also n not equal to minus 1. Here it is also n not equal to minus 1. If it is n is equal to minus 1, n is equal to minus 1, that will be ax plus b whole power minus 1 into dx, isn't it? So here we can write it as ax plus b into dx. Already the same thing we are proved, that is dx is equal to 1 by a into dt when ax plus b is equal to t, right? Already we proved. So here we can write 1 by t. Instead of dx, we can write 1 by a into dt, isn't it? So 1 by a is a constant, right? 1 by a into 1 by t into dt. What is dt by t? This is like that of dx by x. Since dx by x is equal to log x plus c. So instead of x, here we have t. That's all. So that 1 by a into log t plus c. Now what is t? We are taking t is equal to ax plus b plus c, isn't it? Therefore, integral 1 by ax plus b into dx is nothing but 1 by a into log of ax plus b plus c. So in simply we can apply 1 by x into dx. This is like that of 1 by x into dx. So what is 1 by x into dx formula? 1 by x into dx is equal to log x. So log x. Again, if you are differentiating ax plus b, you will get a. That is by a. You have by a. So 1 by a into log of ax plus b plus c. That's all.